Now that control point can be targeted by your CAD entities or by a road string. In this example, I'm going to use the CAD entities, so I'm going to go and turn on the appropriate CAD layer. And this is a polyline that I've drawn in, looking at the properties. Let's use the actual function. Go to alignment, regression, and in 8.4 you'll find that there's a point controls option. As mentioned, you have the option of selecting a CAD entity, or in a case where you're selecting a road strings, if you were to go and select an entity of your road string, click on it, you could then go and specify which string you want to extract the information from. Canceling that, and then looking at the actual function. The first point on the left that we put in was left compulsory point number 1. I want to apply it to a specific template. You could, for instance, apply it to all your templates. You have the option of switching it on and off, so you can run different scenarios to see what the result would be. Just to the right of that, looking at the mode, you can specify you want to pick up just the horizontal or just the vertical information, or in this case, both. The height options, if I go and right-click from entities, you can go and specify which height point control to use. Looking at the heighting options, you could go and specify a specific height, and in that case, everything will have the same elevation. From entities, which I'll use in this example, at a later stage, I'll show you how you can interpolate the heights from a DTM. Or you have the option to retain a grade. And in that case, it uses the grade that you specified in your template. Now, with some of these options, you can see that you have the ability to go and add a constant height. Select the target. If I were to go and right-click on this arrow, as I move my cursor, you'll see that a target is highlighted. In this case, we're using the polyline. So I click on the polyline, and Civil Designer will automatically pick up the chainage range. You have the option to specify your own chainage, or you could leave them as is. Put in a description. Click on OK, and recalculate your road. You can either go to Alignment, Road Recalculate, or you'd go and select your Recalculate icon. Civil Designer's already coordinated the horizontal alignment. We will now go and do the rest. There it is, done for us. If you want to see the result, you can go and right-click and select Render View, and then change in my zoom view. The edge of my compulsory point is where the black surface ends. Then we've gone and specified the V-drain. We've put in the footpath.